Okay, dear students, Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Our discussion was about the double declining method of depreciation. Remember that we have used the two types of formulas for calculating depreciation. Once again, I want to revise that to you students. Dear students, consider that remember that we are discussing about the double declining method of depreciation. So here dear students, we have already important data, which cost is known, residual value is also known, and useful life is known. So we have done in our earlier discussion that we have three steps to calculate the depreciation expenses. Ma se step darim ki bazare una me tawanim ki depreciation expenses rachi kanim calculate kanim. Awal step mesha ke maushuma formula straight line ra istifada kanim. Yani step awal bama me ki use the straight line formula. So to use the straight line formula is like this: annual depreciation expenses is equal to cost of the equipment divided by residual value. Here we have cost of equipment divided by residual value. Cost minus residual value divided by useful life. But keep in mind that in this formula we will not we will not minimize the residual value. We will not use the residual value in the formula. Directly we will divide cost by useful life. So see, you may see over here that we haven't deducted the residual value. We have crossed that. Directly we divided the original cost, which are 100,000, divided by 5. You will see over here 100,000 divided by 5. We divided it and we found 20,000 as an annual depreciation amount. ये सालाना कीमत इस्तेहलाक است. خوی انف نسمو شما باید اول د قیمت چیز را هم پیدا کنیم. ریت استهلاک را باید پیدا شوه. So rate استهلاک که ما پیدا میکنیم dear students, what we will do, ما شما باید چی کار بکنیم. So we will use the straight line rate. ما امو قیمت straight line را استفاده میکنیم. سالانه ما شما قیمت already پیدا کردیم. قیمت کدامش بود؟ 20,000. این سالانه قیمت بود. So اونا را میگیریم and we will divide by 100,000, which are the original cost. by 100,000 را تقسیم میکنیم که اصلی قیمت جنس است. So we found اشاریه 20 the original amount, the rate of depreciation. Now what we will do, we will use this rate that we found through formula, which is 0.20, and we will multiply that with digit 2. ادب از این است که ما اینا را باید دبل بکنیم، یعنی معنا دوچند شوه باید. سو وقتی که را دوچند میکنیم، سو this rate which are اشاریه 2 multiply 2 میکنیم یا multiply قیمت میکنیم. سو قیمت به ما شما دبل است، یعنی 2 است. وقتی که اینا د 2 ضرب دادیم، سو ما شما به یک ریت میرسیم which are اشاریه 40. اشاریه 40 is our double declining rate. اگر شما این فرمولا این سه استپ ها بر شما difficult باشه یا سخت باشه، سو شما میتوانی که باز طریقه دوم هم استفاده کنی which are called the simple formula. این سیمپل طریقه است و سیمپل طریقه ما شما را بسیار با آسانی میتوانیم که با ذریعه سیمپل فرمولا ما ریت استهلاک را کالکولیت کنیم. سیمپل فرمولا وقتی که ما استفاده میکنیم، سو طریقه کاریشی است که ما یک عدد یک را میگیریم و با یوزفول لایف هر قدر که یوزفول لایف باشه، اگر یوزفول لایف 7 سال باشه به 7 تقسیم میکنیم، اگر 3 سال باشه به 3 تقسیم میکنیم. So when you divide the digit 1 by useful life, so you may find one rate. That is the rate of a straight line. So ये शुमारा रेट स्ट्रेट लाइन में था. बॉस शुमा अमू रेट रमेगी नहीं वो उनारा दर 2 ज़रब भी थी, यानी you will make that rate double. वक्त की अमू रेट दर 2 ज़रब दादी, so शुमा बॉस एक रेट double declining बदस में आवरी. So ये अमू रेट double declining अस्ता कि मौ शुमा बायद द calculation खुद इस्तेफादा करें. Now we will move towards the calculation. आलिमा calculation में करें, but before going towards the calculation we need the calculator. Calculator ज़रूरत तारीम की बात इनारा इस्तेफादा करें. So see dear students, we have calculator over here. Now let's to put the data over here. Like for example years, put the rate of years. So this is year 1, this is year 2, this is year 3, and this is year 4. and then we have the year 5. So these are the years that for which we will make this table, the depreciation table. Dear students, remember that our beginning value in this question is 100,000 rupees. You may see over here 100,000 rupees. So what is the rate of depreciation? We found that rate through formula 0.40. This is the rate of depreciation. See, dear students, 5 years we have, like for example we may say in this way, this is for the 5 years. You will see, so we have developed the 5-year chart because we will calculating this depreciation for 5 years. So you may see over here that we have developed a chart of 5 years. Good. Now in the second column we have beginning book value. So see, this is year 1 and we purchased this machinery on 100,000. So see, we have taken this 100,000 cost over here and we have put in the first year column, and the rate we have found through formula. See, we have found through the 3-step formula, or we have found that through 1-step formula. So these are the rate that we will multiply with this and we will find the depreciation expenses. Now to calculate the annual depreciation expenses, so simply multiply the 100,000 with the rate, and now we will multiply this with this. So when we multiply it, so what will happen? The annual depreciation amount बमौशमा मालूम मेशा वक्त कीरा multiply कदम, it is equal to 40,000. So the misal accumulated depreciation expenses maham shal hazar mesha. Okay, very good. And finally we have the book value. So how to find the book value? So dear students, the way for calculating book value is from this amount, which are the beginning value. From this we will deduct the annual depreciation expenses, and other methods we have deducted the accumulated depreciation, but here we will deduct the annual depreciation expenses and we will like calculate the book value. So now let's to calculate the book value. So 100,000 minus 40,000, it is equal to how much? 60,000 rupees. 60,000 rupees. And this 60,000 that we have over here in the balance, this 60,000, we will take this 60,000 and we will bring this, and the ending value of 1 year is the beginning value of the other year. So see, 60,000 we have, and we will write down 60,000 over here because 1 year end is the beginning of next year. Sale akhiri yak sal shuru ye sale doom asta. So that's why we will bring 60,000 to the beginning of second year, and that will be the beginning value of the asset. Now again we will multiply this with the again we will multiply this with the amount 40%. Yani 40% is what the rate of depreciation. So when we multiply this with 40,000, so how much will be the result? See over here we have 60,000 multiplied by 0.40, it is equal to 24,000. So here we will write down 24,000 as the annual depreciation expenses. How to find the accumulated? So the previous year depreciation expenses plus the current year depreciation is what? The next year accumulated depreciation expenses, and this is equal to 64,000 rupees. Now again we will find the book value. So 60,000 minus 24,000, what we will do? We will use again this 60,000 which are the beginning value and 24,000 which are the annual depreciation expenses. From this we will find the book value. So now let's to use the calculator. So see dear students, 60,000 minus 24,000 is equal to 36,000. So now we will write down 36,000 over here, 36,000 over here. This is our the ending value. So now we will again take this ending value and we will bring this to the next year beginning value. So 36,000 is the next year beginning value. Once again we will multiply this with the Ashariya Chal, which is the rate of depreciation. So let's do this. We have already 36,000. This is multiplied by how much? 40 by 40. So see, 14,400. 14,400 is our current year annual depreciation expenses. To find the next year accumulated, so we have already sum up the 2 years, which are 64,000. The दो कलुन हम already जमा करे थे. नो उस बता गए सारा नोर हम जमा को, which are 64,000 मंगा already जमा करे थे. दो कलुन जमे calculator is not working well. 64,000 plus the 14,400, it is equal to 78,400. 78,400. So now we will again deduct the 36,000. From 36,000 the current year depreciation expenses, which are 14,400. So let's deduct it. Use the calculator. We have 36,000 minus 14,400. So this is 21,600. 21,600. We'll write down over here 21,600. 21,600 is the next year beginning value. 21,600, and we will multiply this with 0.40. So when we multiply 21,600 with Ashariya Chal, so it is equal to 8,640. 8,640. So we will add 8,640 with the previous year accumulated depreciation expenses. So this is Jame 78,400. This is equal to 87,000 and 87,040. 87,040. So okay dear students, so it is equal to, the amount is equal to 87,040. Now we will add 87,040 with this accumulated depreciation expenses. So now we will find the book value at the end of year. So our amount at the beginning of period is 21,600. From this we will minimize the 8,640. So we will have the ending value 12,960. 12,960. So we will take 12,960 to the next year, and this is the beginning balance of next year, 12,960. So dear students, here we will not add anything. Here we will do stop, and this is the important thing for us. We should take a stop, and this stop mean that we will not add amount over here. We will keep this as 0. If we put over here 0.40, and if we multiply this with this, so we will not close the year with 10,000. And by law we have already choose the residual value of the company as 10,000. If you see over here, we have residual value 10,000. So now we should close the year 5 with 10,000. So what we will do, directly we will deduct 10,000 from 12,000 rupees. So we will have the annual depreciation expenses 2,960. So when we add this with the 87,940, so we will have the 90,000 the annual depreciation expenses. So this is what we may say, dear students, the double declining method of depreciation. So I hope that you have understand about it, and if you have any questions, so do not hesitate to contact with me. Okay, I wish you a happy day.